Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the battery and maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 robot vacuum. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this task. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta Explorer Series 20 as well. First, ensure that your robot vacuum is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the vacuum over and locate the battery compartment. You'll see several screws that need to be removed with your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully take out these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover of the battery compartment. Take note of how the old battery is positioned, as you'll need to install the new battery in the same orientation. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help clarify any concerns you might have. Now, disconnect the old battery from its connectors. This may require a bit of gentle wiggling. Once it's free, replace it with the new battery by connecting it to the same connectors. Make sure it's secure before you proceed. After replacing the battery, place the cover back on the battery compartment. Reinsert the screws you set aside earlier and tighten them carefully. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Next, let's focus on internal cleaning, which is vital for maintaining optimal performance. Use the flathead screwdriver to remove the brush roll cover. This is typically held in place by a couple of clips or screws. Once removed, you can take out the brush roll itself. Clean the brush roll thoroughly, removing any hair or debris that may have accumulated. For an even deeper clean, use a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the inside of the vacuum. This helps in removing dust that could affect performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls to schedule a service. Once everything is clean, reassemble the brush roll and cover, securing it back in place. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Turn it on and run a quick cycle to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact a professional. We offer a quote before repair, so you will know the cost up front. In conclusion, changing the battery and maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 robot vacuum is a straightforward process that can extend the life of your device significantly. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and battery checks, will ensure your vacuum continues to operate at peak performance. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.